Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Mr. Zaya. I'm back for another lesson. So now we're going to do lesson 20, and we're going to talk basically the same things, but hold on. Okay, now we go. All right, so we're going to be dividing remainders. We're going to be checking with multiplication. It's all going to be a good time. Now the only problem is the numbers are not as nicely, going into each other. But this is where those estimating skills are going to come in handy. So let's take a look at a couple of these. So let's look at this one. So it's 49 divided by 21. Now, sometimes you may want to be like, all right, well, let's say if this was 50 divided by 20 or 25, so I'm thinking about 2. So let's try 2. 21 does not go into 4, but 21 does go into 49 2 times. That's 42 minus 7. 2 remainders 7. 2 remainders 7. So 21. Now I'm checking. 21 times 2 is 42 plus 7 is 49. All right, let's do another one. Let's look at D. Okay. Okay, let's just look at D. 84 divided by 32. 32 and 32 is 64. It's pretty close, so I can't go any higher. I'm going to go, that's 2. That's 64 minus, that's 20. 20 is less than 32. I can't get another group, so it's 2 remainder 20. So 32 times 2 is 64 plus 20 equals 84. Ding, 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 ding. Tell him what he's won, people. Absolutely nothing. Whew. All right, let's look at another one. All right, we saw this something like this similar in lesson 19. So it says a number divided by 43 has a quotient of 3 with the remainder 28. Find the number, show your work. So some number divided by 43 equals 3 with the remainder of 28. So remember what we do with multiplication is the inverse. So we have to do the opposite. So I'm going to do 43 times 3. Because if this was my division problem, 43 would be here, 3 would be up there, remainder 28. So that's 129 plus 28, 4, 5, 157. What? Okay. All right. Next one. Mrs. Silverstein sold 91 cupcakes at the food fair. The cupcakes were sold in boxes of a baker's dozen, which is 13. What? She sold all the cupcakes at $15 per box. Blah, 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 blah. How much money did she receive? Okay. So she sold 91 cupcakes. They were sold in boxes of 13. She sold all the cupcakes. All right, how much money did she make? Well, I got to figure out how many boxes she actually made. So it's 91 cupcakes divided by a baker's dozen, which is 13. Because that's going to tell me, guys, how many boxes I had. Let's see, this was 10, this is 90, that'd be about 9 times. So let's try 8. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to just try 13 times 8. Well, I know this is not going to work because I know 12 times 8 is 96. So let's try another way. Well, 13, let's try 13 times 6. Oh, 13 times 6. 678. Can I get closer? Let's try 13 times 7. I think so. What? 91. So it goes 7, 91, nothing left over. So I have 7 boxes that I sold. She sold all the cupcakes at $15 per box. How much money did she receive? 15 times 7 is $105. All right, that's it. Check out the flow chart. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Check out the flow chart and have a great day, guys. Later.